Hello everyone, welcome to GPAD GAN. So this is the another class for your crash course, and this will be the quick revision of the glycosides. So we have already covered the glycosides in very detail. We have covered already all of the drugs and the related topics, the chemical test and everything. And this is going to be the key points for your glycosides, and the whole topic revision is not possible right now because your exam is just in 15 days, I guess. So the key points of the glycosides we are going to revise right now, and for the rest of the drugs please follow the previous notes and recorded lecture class and the live class records, so that you can revise the glycosides very well, and this is very important for your exam point of view also. So firstly, we know that glycoside, if we proceed the glycoside for the acid or enzymatic hydrolysis, two portions are evolved, that are the glycon and glycon part. So glycon part is the sugar moiety and a glycon part is a non-sugar moiety. So the glycoside is comprised of basically three parts. So there will be sugar at one side and a glycon part or non-sugar part at one side, and they both are to be combined by one linkage, and the linkage is the glycosidic linkage. The linkage is formed by different atoms like oxygen, carbon, sulfur or nitrogen. These four atoms basically comprise the your glycosidic linkage. Okay, and this linkage is the barrier or the holder of the glycon and a glycon part, and the sugar part is basically responsible for taking the glycon moiety to the site of action. I know that you already know about the site of action, that every drug does not work at the same site of action. They have particular action sites, like the drugs based on the pH of the action. They act at one particular pH. Everything can't be common. They have their particular pH to work on. So they find their environment. Like in your intestine, there is one kind of environment. In your stomach, there is another kind of environment. And for that pH, uh, distinguishing in the pH, so the drugs work differently in various site of action. So that sugar part will be responsible for taking the glycon part to the site of action, and the glycon part is responsible for the therapeutic or the chemical or the any kind of action that is provided by the glycoside, is basically for the glycon or the non-sugar part, and this is also known as the gene. And this is basically the moiety. So basically in the middle you can see that the linkage, that is the O-glycosidic linkage here, and the steroidal part that you can see as the cholesterol structure kind of structure, it is responsible for the therapeutic effect. This is the glycon part, and there is the sugar moiety also, that is the glycon part. And C glycoside, the examples are very important. Please go for the examples, and I think while continuing the drugs, I hope you have revised many times these things. So the tricks you can remember: SAC, ORS, and is glycoside is the cinegreen from black mustard, and for the N glycoside there is the rutin and quercetin. Nitrogen atom is the linkage, is for sulfur atom is the in the linkage, and in the O glycoside there is the ORS, O glycoside. R is for uh, the sinucide from Senna and cascaroside from cascara. So these are the examples, and the sinucide from Senna, C glycoside is the aloin from aloe and cochineal from carminic acid. These both are present. The sinucide and cascaroside is the O glycoside example, and the C glycoside is for the aloin for aloe and cochineal and carminic acid basically from the cochineal for the C glycoside. And these are the chemical tests, as you know, that the Braun-Taggart test, the modified Braun-Taggart test, Baljeet's test and Legal's test. and Ramon's test also. Colors, please do remember the colors, and there are different kind of uh, test for the distinguishing different kind of glycosides. Like for the steroidal glycoside, there is one kind of test for distinguishing the different kind of aloes, like the Curacao aloe, Cape aloe, Zanzibar aloe, and the Socotrin aloe. There are different kind of test. And for the India rhubarb, Chinese rhubarb, Rhabdotic rhubarb, there are different kind of tests. So all of that we have already covered, and please go for that for your better understanding and proper reminding of the things. Okay, please memorize it very well. These are the classifications, and we have already covered that things in very detail, and we don't have enough time now for pursuing each and everything with proper topics. So go through this drugs, go through this with proper classification. As I tell every time, that with proper classification, go for the drugs, and these are the chemical structure of the drugs, and according to that there is separate classifications, like cardiac glycosides are the digitalis and all, anthraquinone, senna, sterol glycoside, saponin glycoside, diasporia, cyanogenetic glycoside is beta almond, isothiocyanate, coumarin, isocoumarin, aldehyde, etc. etc. Phenol, vanillin is an example. Like that, please go for the drugs very well. And thank you.